Hey there, have you ever been on a date with a girl and everything seemed to be going well, but then she says something that makes your stomach turn?
Oh, yeah, I know exactly what you mean. Those are the comments that make it clear she's just not that into you, or worse, she has an ulterior motive.
Exactly. But if you understand what these red flags are in advance, you can spot them before wasting too much time and energy on her.
Absolutely. There are certain things that women generally tend to say that are obvious red flags. And today, we're going to discuss them.
So, let's get started. Number 1, she's self-righteous and you're always wrong.
Yeah, if she's constantly thinking she's right, it means she's not open to new ideas or different perspectives. This narrow-minded thinking will eventually lead to a lack of interest and you'll have nothing new to discuss or learn from one another.
Number 2, she blames you for things that are out of your control.
If she's constantly pointing out your flaws and critiquing you for them, it's a massive red flag. No one is flawless and everyone has something about them that they would like to change, but if she's constantly making an issue about your flaws, she's not interested in who you are as a person.
Number 3, she gives you ultimatums or conditions for the relationship.
If she's constantly giving you ultimatums, she's not interested in compromise or working things out. All she wants is her way and she doesn't care about your needs or wants. This kind of behavior is self-centered and immature and is not the foundation of a healthy relationship.
Number 4, she expects you to do something without asking for it.
If she's asking for things outside the normal scope of what someone would usually do for the person they're dating, it shows she doesn't respect your autonomy. Part of being in a relationship is trying to make your partner satisfied, but you should always be doing so on your own accord, not because you feel like you have to.
Well, those are the red flags to look out for in a relationship. Remember, it's important to have open and honest communication, and if she's not willing to compromise or meet you halfway, it may be time to move on.
Agreed. And with that, it's time to say goodbye. Thanks for watching.